Hey, this is Nate. Welcome back for another video on this channel. Today, another summary of the last trading week. I will go over the 50K account first, and then I will also give you a brief update on the FTMO challenges. So let's talk about the big account here, 50K, 15K, whatever you want to call it. And this account is currently at 23K. So yeah, we can see the profit is around 8K right now, which is a little bit less than it was 1 week ago. So let's have a look at what was going on. First of all, let's have a quick look at the overall indices and how they behave, because they seem to be the biggest indicator for the performance of the account. Here we had a sideways move in the German index. Yeah, mostly sideways in the US main stock index, and US tech index was also sideways. So not really a lot to expect here. Then we had USD Japanese yen with 2 trades. Unfortunately, one big loss on Friday, on the last day. No trades in Euro US dollar. GBP US dollar had multiple trades, and this looks like a good trading week, actually. 2 big winning trades. We will see this yeah, in a second in the summary. Then we had some turnaround Tuesday trades, and also yeah, gold, of course, was traded a lot, as always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 4 trades in the last 5 days, and actually most of them were positive or slightly positive, so should also be a win overall. But let's not yeah, talk too much about this here, and let's get to the actual numbers. So here I added all of the trades already to my TradeBuddy trading journal, which is, again, it's still free. Check it out in the video description. You will find a link where you can download it for free. So I included all of the trades automatically, and here we can see the key figures. They show the 8K profit that I just talked about, and right now we do see 335 trades so far. If we have a look at the graph, we can see that there is really a mini drawdown. I wouldn't even call it a drawdown. The account is just at this or around this 23K watermark for the last few weeks now, which is totally fine. And if we now have a look at the filter for the last week, oh wait, let me select it here. It's from the 23rd to 29th of June. And yeah, here we can see what I just talked about. A lot of sideways, small loss of like 260. And yeah, let's maybe have a look at the strategies. So let's start with the go long strategy. This should be sideways or a bit negative, because here, as I showed before, the markets were mostly sideways. And yeah, this is exactly what happened. A loss here of 470. I think most of the losses are coming from the German index. So US 30 was more or less break even. US tech was, yeah, lost 170. And the German index lost quite a lot, 280 in the German index. And then let's have a look at the range breakout strategy next. First of all, for all of the markets. And here we had a nice profit. Yeah, not too big, but there is still a nice profit. And if we go to the symbols, I think most of these profits are actually coming from gold. So we saw USD Japanese yen, especially because of the trade on Friday. This one is down quite a bit the last week. Then we didn't have any trades in Euro US dollar, so no trades here. GBP US dollar should be positive. Yeah, 230 positive. And now let's have a look at gold. Gold was, I think, also very positive. Yeah, 270 roughly. And then we also had a trade in the US 30, I think. No, we did not, but we had some trades in DE 40, or one trade which was slightly positive with 50 euro 1. So overall, range breakout strategy performed very, very good in the last week, I would say. Even though we had the negative trade in USD Japanese yen here on Friday, overall there was still a nice profit of around 300 euro. And then turnaround Tuesday strategy is the last one to look at. This one was, yeah, was slightly negative. Yeah, I mean, we can see it here, 2 trades, DE40 and US tech. Lost a bit in both of them. But it's not really a lot. It's not really important to talk about this. It's more or less like nothing. So yeah, that's how the account is currently going. Yeah, it's going super fine. I hope it can go on like this. So let's have a look quickly at the FTMO projects. So FTMO projects, first one, we have this 100K challenge where I trade the range breakout strategy. Also had 3 big losing trades on Friday, which lost like 1.2%, I think, and which made the whole account negative again. Besides this, the last week started off very strong, but yeah, Friday kind of made all of the losses disappear. Then let's go to this verification account. And as you can see here, this verification account stopped trading, which is a good sign because the verification challenge was passed. Or won on Monday actually. So we had this trade here in GBP dollar and this trade here in USD Japanese yen, which were the last profits that were needed to pass this verification. So this is the very first FTMO verification that I passed ever. And I just went through the procedure with FTMO, signing up as a trader and everything. And now I'm ready to go. So starting in the next week, I think I will be able to start trading in the actual FTMO account for the very first time. So this is exciting. Unfortunately, it's just a 10K account. So it's not really a lot of money I can play around with. It's just more for testing and everything. And yeah, we'll keep you updated on this, of course. Still have to decide what strategy I want to use and everything. But yeah, that's with this account. Then we have this challenge account. This one is 6.2% in profit. Also suffered a lot on the last Friday. Before last Friday, the week was actually very good, but yeah, Friday was just bad for every account, I think. And then this is another verification account in the stock trading project. Unfortunately, 2.2% down because yeah, last week was not so good. But also, yeah, not a long time that I trade this verification now, and I will keep you updated here also, of course. And then last but not least, the go long strategy traded here. This one is doing better. Also last week was very good, I think, and it's up like 1.6% roughly. Yeah, which is the last FTMO account. So out of all of these 5 FTMO accounts, I currently hold 1 FTMO account, 1 verification account, and 3 challenge accounts. Most of them are profitable or around break even, and 1 is currently underwater, which is this stock trading account here. So yeah, that's it. That's the little summary of last week's trading progress. Yeah, hope you liked it, and see you next time. Have a great time. Good trades. Bye.